good evening and welcome to the Final Four of your TMBC Superliga. Welcome to Araneta Coliseum, Timuga. And we would like to thank our officials for tonight's game. Official referee, senior referee, San Gutierrez, senior referee, Pan Fajardo, and senior referee, Seb Suyat. All right, good evening, everybody. Happy Friday the 13th. And we would like to call committee ready, officials ready, and presenting your starting lineup for your Tema Rubian Knights. Number 5, Captain Arcadio. Number 24, Ramos. Number 77, Lisa. Number 18, Agno. And number 17, Sakayan. And a starting lineup for your Barangay Tagay. Number 10, Alia. Number 7, Manalo. Number 8, Turay. Number 23, Nico Beltran. And number 71, Jack Hilario. And thank you to our committee members, Princess Luzon, Tinoy Luzon, and Master Reden Honorica. And let's get ready to rumble! Keep up between Manalo and Agno. First possession goes to Barangay Tagay. Aliera to Beltran. Aliera on the move. Aliera first. Basket is good for IC Aliera. Arcadio to Ramos to Lisa. Lisa running floater, basket good for Dion Lisa. There's a whistle. Foul number 24. Jervin Ramos first personal foul, first team foul. There's a steal by Jervin Ramos. Lumingon pa, dumila pa sa ere. Basket good for Jervin Ramos. Ang tinting dila naman nun, parang gusto maglengwa. Toray against Arcadio. Toray jumper no good. Rebound by Arcadio. Sakayan na mo. Basket good. Jeff Sakayan. 6-2 in favor of TK. Toray on the move. Manalo sa ultra high post. Sagat po. Chapelari basket good. May kasama bang foul? Foul number 17. Jeff Sakayan first personal foul. Second team foul. One shot. Jack Hilario. No good. Rebound by Lisa. Lisa, high post against Jab. Arcadio. Sakayan to Lisa. Lisa for 3. 3! Dion Lisa. That 3 points is brought to go by Paring Okars. Medyo nakakabulol to na. Oh, there's a steal by Dion Lisa. Lisa, no look pass to Arcadio. Arcadio, basket good. Arcadio 2 points, assisted by Dion Lisa. Toray on the move. Toray against IC. IC, basket good for IC. 5-point lead. 11-6. Sakayan. Lisa for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Sable. Time out! Barangay Tagay. Napakagandang first quarter naman agad. Alright, commercial break muna. Shoutout muna, shoutout. May nag-request ng shoutout. Shoutout! Kuya Abong Saklay. Ang bago niyang nickname, Abong Saklay daw. Kuya Abong, alam mo nagkakape ka na. Ingat ka palagi and see you soon. Back to the ball game. Tagay ball, 5 minutes, 53 seconds. Running time. Toray inbound to Nico. To IC. IC on the move. Power move. No good. IC with the rebound. Fresh 14 shot clock. IC Manalo Binomba. No good. IC with the rebound. What's the correct? Same ball. Foul number 17. Jeff Sakayan. Substitution, rep? Substitution. Garcia in, Sakayan out. Inbound by Toray. 5 minutes sa ating first quarter. IC. For 3, no good. Rebound by Toray to IC Binomba to Japsu Palpaliano. Kay Arcadio ang bola. Arcadio on the move. Bounce pass to Agno. Basket good for Mark Agno. 13-6 in favor of Team Arubian Knights. 4 minutes 30 seconds. IC for 3. No good. Arcadio with the rebound. Arcadio kumukuha ng pick. Ramos for 3. 3. Jevin Ramos for 3. 10-point lead in favor of TK. Beltran, babawi ng 3. No good. Rebound by IC. IC. No good. Foul number 22. Nico Garcia, first personal foul. 40 foul. 2 shots for IC Aliara. Warning for penalty. Basket good. Substitution rep. De La Cruz in. Ramos out. Basket good. 2 out of 2 for IC Aliera. 3 minutes, 5 seconds sa ating first quarter. Bounce pass si Nico sa ilalim. Lisa with the ball. Lisa. Basket good for Dion Lisa. 10-point lead. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng PK. Chris Lomboy against Nico. Toray. Toray on the move. Toray. Back to Manalo pero na-steal ni Babyface. Arcadio pull-up jumper specialty. Basket good for Andoy Arcadio. And Kapitan. 12-point lead. Shout out, Isko Pardo. Lomboy jumper, no good. Rebound by Nico Beltran. Fresh 14 shot clock. To Toray. Toray spin. Half spin. Jumper, no good. Rebound by Dion Lisa. Lisa. Steal by Chris Lomboy. To Toray. Na-steal ni Agno. Nico to Lisa. Bounce pass to Agno. Agno, no good. Foul number 22. 2-0 Lomboy. Substitution rep. Matthew in. And they out. Basket good. No good short. Rebound by Icy. Natapik ni Bob. Papunta kay Toray. Icy on the move. Icy. Umaatake. Datang jumper. Basket good for Icy Alera. 21-10 in favor of PK. 1 minute 23 seconds. Nico, no pass to Mark. Nico, fade away. Basket good for Babyface Assassin. 13-point lead in favor of PK. Friday na 13 po tayo. No look pass to Manalo. Manalo to IC. There's a steal by Mark De La Cruz. But there's a whistle. Foul number 28. Dario Talib. Substitution. Senalos in. Agno out. $53 seconds sa ating first quarter. 13-point lead. Matthew. Traveling violation, brother. Bibigyan kita ng visa. $13-point lead. Lomboy against Nico. Toray. Kumuha ng pick. Double pick. Toray with a spin. But there's a whistle. Foul number 10. Kyle Matthew. Penalty situation. Bola. Basket good.
Senyor. Pasok. Pasok.
2 out of 2 for Raymond Toray. 27 seconds left sa ating first quarter. Isa lang.
Sino ba yan? 23-11.
Score is 23-11. Dion. No good. 6 seconds. Rebound by Nico. Nico, jumper. There's a whistle. Foul number 28, Dario Talib. Second personal foul, third team foul, 2 shots for Nico Garcia. Basket good.
Safety, safety.
Two out of two for Nicole. 2.8 seconds sa ating first quarter. I see Mark with a steal. And that's the end of your first quarter. Score is 25-11 in favor of Team Arubian Knights.
Here's the story of
And sa nalalapit na pagtatapos na ating liga, nagpapasalamat po kami sa mga supporters
just blue.
Paribacars, AIR Insurance, SH Immigration, Aces Jerseys, VIP, and NCBRA.
Everything is room for him and himself and everybody around, cause he ain't got nobody to listen. This is how we
Medyo matibay tayo. Bukas ulit. Magkikita ulit tayo sa Game 2 sa Arangi Stadium. The home of TFBC. Morgan's Road. Arangi Stadium, 6:30 p.m. Back to the ball game. DK ball.
Okay, next.
Start of second quarter. Arcadio with the ball. Pick from Senados. Mark Sinovac for 3. No good. Rebound by IC. Again, Nico Beltran. Beltran ang gawin. Super para ni Mark de la Cruz. IC Alera. Jumper, no good. Rebound by Dario. Fresh 14, Toray on the move to Nico Beltran. Specialty in the house, no good. Rebound by Rosero. Senados with the ball. PJ jumper, no good. Rebound by Ryan Manalo. Ryan Manalo to IC. IC against Mark. No good, but there's a whistle. Foul number 14, Mark de la Cruz, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for IC Alera. Basket good. Substitution rep. Castillo in. Manalo. Basket good for IC.
Bigyan na pala.
12-point lead. There's a steal by IC. Pero nagawa ni Nico Garcia. No pass to Mark. Mark. No good. But there's a whistle. Foul number 88. Raymond Toray. First personal. First team foul. 2 shots for Mark de la Cruz. Basket good for Mark. Two out of 2 for De La Cruz, 27-13 ang Team Arubian Knights. Toray against Arcadio. Lockdown D si Arcadio. Aliera. Easy 2 basket for IC Aliera. 12-point lead. 6 minutes, 56 seconds. Arcadio jumper. No good. Rebound by Rosero. Rosero, no good. Rebound by Aliera. Toray against Arcadio. 11 seconds shot clock. Aliera sa ilalim. There's a whistle. Foul number 14. Mark De La Cruz. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Toray inbound to Talay to Beltran. To Aliera. Aliera to Toray. No good. But there's a whistle. Foul number 5. Andoy Arcadio personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots for Raymond Toray. Side ball. Alive to Toray, jumper, no good. Good backs out by PJ Rosero. Balik tayo sa kabila, Arcadio, Romaragasa, jumper, no good. Nico tap to IC Aliera to Dario. Alive to Dirk Castillo. Atake but there's a whistle. Foul number 4, PJ Rosero. Substitution rep. Warning for penalty. Lisa in, Rosero out. Alive. Aliera to Dario. Nico for 3, no good. Rebound by Mike De La Cruz. Garcia on the move, no good. Rebound by Dion. Fresh as shot clock, 17. There's a whistle. Foul number 23, Nico Beltran. First personal foul, second team foul. 4 minutes, 25 seconds. Senaros, no good. Aliera. There's a steal. Senaros pumengi pa. No good. Senaros pa rin. Basket good for Gogo Senaros. Pumipeke pa si Gogo. Nico Beltran, basket good. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. Los Combe in. And Lumboy in. Dario out. De La Cruz out. 3 minutes, 29 seconds. 29-17. 12-point lead. Lumboy on the move. Lumboy. No good. Rebound by Los Combe. To Lisa. Lisa on the move. Masyado masigit. There's a steal by Nico. Bilang sa kabila. Nasa lang IC. IC to Dirk. Back to IC. IC on the move. Bang. No good. IC with the rebound. No good. Rebound by Dirk. Power rebound. Dirk. No good. Rebound pa rin kay Dirk. Wala pa rin. Antindi naman nun. Arcadio with the move. Arcadio all the way. Arcadio. And one basket. Good for Andoy Arcadio. Foul number 23, Nico Beltran. Substitution rep. Basket good. Second personal foul, Nico Beltran. Manalo in. One shot for Andoy Arcadio. Basket Basket good for Andoy Arcadio. 2 minutes, 10 seconds sa ating second quarter. 15-point lead. Lumboy against Arcadio. Manalo on the post. Napitawan ng bola. Nakakuha ni Agno, pero na kay Arcadio ang bola. Arcadio, no, lumpas to Lusconde. But there's a whistle. Foul number 88, Raymond Toray. Second personal foul, 14 foul. 2 shots for Junray Luscombe. Parehas warning for penalty. Basket good for Luscombe. Two timeouts left for TK, 1 timeout for Tagay. Basket good for Luscombe.
Hey, hey, keep it. Yeah. Also clean up.
Next table, jump.
17-point lead. Long boy for 3. No good. Rebound by Lisa. Nico Garcia. Specialty. Bumobo pa. Bumite. Basket good for Nico Garcia. Time out! Barangay Tagay. No more timeouts na Tagay. First up. Alright, shout out muna tayo. Shout out, Kuya Royal Seno. I know you're watching. I know you're watching, Kuya Ronald Seno, habang nagtetipan. And Kuya Abong Saklay. Lumbaw. Nagkakabe pa.
Ano, last na, ano?
Okay, 6 months. Back to the ball game. 19-point lead. Toray inbound to Ndico. Toray against Luscombe. Toray on a spin. Luscombe, but there's a basket. Good for Raymond Toray. Foul number 8. Junray Luscombe, penalty. First personal foul. 1 shot for Raymond Toray. Basket good. 16-point lead. 1 minute remaining sa ating first half. Arcadio. Lisa jumper. Basket good for Dion Lisa. 38-20. Beltran basket. 16-point lead. 38 seconds sa ating first half. Arcadio humingi ng pick sa kanyang anak. Arcadio. Last touch by Arcadio. Barangay Tagay ball. 24 seconds. Beltran on the move against Luscombe to Aisha Liera. No good. Battle on the boards. Same ball with 15 seconds remaining sa ating first half. 15 seconds jump with the inbound to IC. IC sumusukat. IC for 3. No good. Rebound by Manalo. Manalo masyado malakas. Manalo pa rin. No good. Rebound by Agno. Arcadio to Lisa. No basket. No basket. According to kitang-kita ni referee Sepsuyat. 38-22. And that's our score for your first half, 38-22. 5 minutes break. Alright, mag-chill muna tayo guys. Sa mga nakagutom, meron po tayong snacks outside courtesy of the Luzon Express. And our next game, number 1, Don Taros against number 4, Hot Shot.
Nigga burn shit up. David, JC, my nigga turn that shit up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Thug niggas, drug dealers, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, where we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for sure. Slip my hoe a 44 when she got in the back door. Bitches looking at the strings, but you know I can't. Step up in this motherfucker, just a song in my hand. Bitch, quit talking, walk if you down with the set. Take a bullet with some dick and take this dope on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if your ass get cracked,
Alright, thank you to all our spectators. Kaway-kaway po tayo dyan, everyone. Kaway-kaway. Hello po, shout out to everyone. Thank you for watching our Final Four.
It's the motherfucking DRE. It's the Dre motherfucker. You know I'm mobbing with the D.O. Double G. Straight off the fucking streets of CPT. King of the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. Whoa, the real rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop-de-whoop, nigga, what? Playing Snoop Chronic down.
Can be accused of loving for your body and for your mind, but tonight your body's calling, and you got that little look in your eye. So baby, I'm flying until I fall. Let's just pretend that there is no one home. Nobody home. I will say and we can make love all night long, lady. I want some love, kissing and hugging, lady. Loving and rubbing, oh, you know I know it, baby.
Alright, special announcement. Malapit-lapit na po tayo Okay, mabilis ang announcement lang ng fouls. Arcadio 1 pound, Ramos 1 pound, De La Cruz 2 pounds, Garcia 1 pound, Matthew 1 pound, Los Combe 1 pound, Sangkayan 2 pounds. That's for your Team Arubian Knights and Barangay Tagay. Toray 2 pounds, Beltran 2 pounds, Lomboy 1 pound, Talay 2 pounds. And that's it. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, possession arrow, PK ball. Possession arrow. Sakayan inbound. Start of your third quarter. Agno, Sakayan, bounce pass to Agno, masyado malakas. Talay to the rebound. Lugboy with the ball. Aliera. Pick from Manalo, Aliera, jumper, no good. Talay, masyado malakas. Rebound by Arcadio. Pass facing Dion, no good. Pass to Sakayan. Last touch by Jack. Substitution rep. Torain IC out. All right, inbound. Shot clock. Lisa with the ball. Pang shot, committee officials muna tayo. Paging, Tinoy Luzon. Kailangan na dito sa shot clock. Arcadio. To Sakayan, no good. Rebound by Lisa to Sakayan. Basket good for Sakayan. Point 80-point lead. Lomboy to Toray. Toray jumper. Battle of the rebounds. Jump with the rebound. Shot clock reset. Lomboy ba? Jump shot no good. Rebound by Arcadio. Fresh 24. Sakayan 2. Lisa. Easy 2 points. 20-point lead. 42-22. Hilario against Jeff. Medyo naharas. Talayb. Talayb sa ilalim. Tungod. Basket good for Dario Talayb. Reset shot clock. 42-24. Arcadio jumper no good. Rebound by Manalo. Toray umaatake. Toray. Jumper. Basket good for Raymond Toray. 42-26 in favor of TK. Arcadio, 14 seconds shot clock. Ramos to Andoy. Jeff umatake. Masyado masikip. There's a whistle. Foul number 28. Dario Talayb. Third personal foul. Second team foul. There's a steal by Chris Lomboy. Lomboy jumper basket good. Time up to Arubian Knights. And thank you once again Bravo Cars, AIL Insurance, SH Immigration, Aces Jerseys sa ating championship shirt. Meron po tayong championship shirt. Napakaswerte naman. Back to the ball game. One timeout left na lang po ang TK to Tagay. TK, one timeout left sa ating second half. Jervin for three. No good. Rebound by Jack. Lomboy. Chris Lomboy. Basket good for Chris Lomboy. Ang MVP ng Winter League, TFBC. 12-point lead. Humahabol na po ang Barangay Tagay. Same ball. Arcadio inbound. De La Cruz umasinta ng tres, no good. Rebound by Manalo. 4 minutes 18. Dario Talaib. Talaib, ang angas ng Mindanao. Pass to Manalo, pass to Japelario, basket, good. Japelario. 10-point lead na lang po ang lamang ng Tagay. Jervin on the move, no good. Steal by Japelario. Japelario to Manalo, no good. Rebound by Magdalena Cruz. Balik tayo sa kabila. T8. Again, Dion with a jumper. Ang ganda naman. Basket. Good for Dion Lisa. Back to 12-point lead. 3 minutes 33 seconds sa ating third quarter. Toray against Lumboy. There's a steal, but there's a whistle. Foul number 24. Jevin Ramos, substitution rep. Garcia in, Sakayan in. Lisa out. And Arcadio out.
Ramos yan.
Second personal foul, Jevin. Toray jumper no good. Rebound by Lisa. Lisa against Dario. Lisa, jumper. No good. Rebound by Dario. 12-point lead ng Tagay. Walang presan. Same ball. Substitution rep. Senado Sim. Ablo out. Remo, Toray with the inbound. Toray inbound to Jap. Jap sa ilalim. No good. There's a whistle. Foul number 17. Jeff Sakayan. Second personal foul. Jeff Sakayan. Substitution. Alera in. Manalo out. So 2 shots for Jeff. Jeff Sakayan. 3 fouls. Sorry. Basket good for Jeff. Two out of 2 Jeff. 10-point lead na po. 2 minutes left sa ating third quarter. Jeff Sakayan humingi na screen. De La Cruz for 3. Pamatay zone of 3 points by Matt De La Cruz. 1 minute 43 seconds sa ating third quarter. Bad pass by Dario. TK ball, Sakayan ang tumong Sakayan. Tumispin pa to Nico Garcia. Basket good for Nico Garcia. Back to 15-point lead. 5 Pass to IC. IC. Basket good for IC Alera. 49-36. 13-point lead. TK, 1 minute 15. Lisa against Lomboy. Pass to De La Cruz, another 3 points, no good. Rebound by Toray. There's a whistle. Foul number 7-7, Dion Lisa. Third team foul. 59 seconds. Palaid. Nice stealing go. Lisa to babyface assassin. Basket good for Nico Garcia. Assisted by Dion Lisa. 49 seconds. Back to 15-point lead ang Kalamangan. Turay against Mark. There's a whistle. Foul number 14, Mark De La Cruz. Substitution red. Nico Beltran in, Lomboy out. Mark De La Cruz, third personal foul. 39 seconds. Aisha Alera. Alera spin to Nico Beltran. Pass to the right, but there's a whistle. Foul number 21, Gomez Sinados. Penalty. 2 shots for Raymond Toray. No good. Zero out of 2. Rebound by IC. Traveling violation. 25 seconds left sa ating third quarter. Sakayan against Nico. Dion. Shot clock to 12 seconds. 8 seconds, Dion, dumidiskarte. Nico Garcia, the veteran. Jumper, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Basket, good for Mark De La Cruz. And score for your third quarter, 53-36 in favor of Timarubian Knights.
Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Get up. First shot, we start walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. No, y'all can't copy it. Moonwalking in this year is our party. My class is better on Broadway. And we did it all the way. Pro music. I shed my skin and blow my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and play with my money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put it on for my town. Trust me, I'm my INDEPENDENT shit hustler. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the Porsche bustin'. Halfway across that city with the deck. Can't crush shit. Labels out here, they can't tell me nothing. Give it to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, back to the ball game. Longboy against Arcadio. Longboy jumper. Fresh 14. Out of bounds. Piggy ball. Arcadio kumuha ng pick. Lisa, 12 seconds. Nico Bertan, no good. Shot clock, 6 seconds. Steal by IC. Toray on the win, Toray. To Nico Bertan, no good. Nakuha ni Nico pala. Nico for 3. No good. IC tinapin kay Trevor Toray. Basket good for Toray. 53-38 in favor of TJ. Arcadio, 14 second shot clock. Garcia touch pass to Dion. No pass to Nico. Nico with a steal. Nico Garcia with a steal. Arcadio, jumper, basket good for Arcadio. IC with a spin, IC on the move, no good. Rebound by Cosinanos. 55-38, Arcadio to Nico. Nico Garcia, no good. Arcadio with the rebound. De La Cruz, no good. There's a whistle. Foul number 88. Raymond Toray, third personal foul. First keeper, substitution rep. Talaid in. Alier out. 2 shots for Mark De La Cruz. No good. One out of 2 for Mark De La Cruz. Score is 56-38. 18-5 lead, 7 minutes, 7 seconds. Talaid, sumuhat ng 3. No good. Rebound by Dario. Toray, jumper, basket for Raymond Toray. For a 56-40 in favor of Tagay. 6 minutes, 40 seconds. Arcadio. De La Cruz for 3, no good. Rebound by Toray. Toray umatake, no good. Rebound by Dario. Spade by Toray. Basket good for Raymond Toray. 56-42, 14-point lead. Barang ang TJ. Arcadio against Nico. Inaasawa na si Arcadio. There's a whistle. Teka lang, chill muna tayo, everyone. Clear. All players on the bench. All players on the bench. All players on the bench, please. All players. Okay, all players on the bench. All players. Garcia on the bench. De La Cruz on the bench. Okay muna, chill muna tayo. All players, stop time. Stop time muna tayo, officials. All players. Okay, Coach Harold McMichael and Captain Ball. Chris Longboy, representative ng Tagay. Okay. Okay, officials decision muna tayo. Officials decision. So, Team Arubian Knights, Andre Arcadio, out of the playing game. And Barangay Tagay, Nico Bertrand out of the playing game. No technical foul tayo, both teams sa technical foul. So, officials decision po tayo. Respect muna tayo, kumalma muna tayo guys. Okay, Team Arubian next ball. Okay, back to the ball game. Kasama po tayo sa laro yun. Pero magkakaibigan po tayo lahat, magkakabarkada tayo. Isang pamilya po tayo. 14 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound Nico to Jeff Sakayan. Sakayan mo tayo, there's a whistle. Pass! No good, no good. No good. The foul number 11. 71, Jeff Hilario, sorry. Lisa against Turay. 5 seconds shot clock. 4 seconds. Garcia Supalpan. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. 5 minutes 25. Dario to Turay. Turay jumper. Rebound by Dion. Tumatake si Dion. Lisa. Sumay step. No good. Rebound and jumper, but there's a whistle. Foul number 71, Jack Hilario. Second personal foul. No good, substitution rep. Agno in. Senades out. 30 foul ang Tagay. Sakayan jump basket good, 1 point. 57-42. 4 minutes 22 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Toray on the move, Toray, no good. Same ball, last touch by De La Cruz. Foul number 22, Nico Garcia. Second personal foul, first team foul. Toray down. Toray, basket good. For Raymond Toray. Foul number 77, Dion Lisa. Second personal foul. Second team foul, one shot for Raymond Toray. Airball. PK ball. Inbound to Sakayan against Japilario. Japilario with a steal, but there's a whistle. Pushing foul number 17, Jeff Sakayan. Fourth personal foul. 13 foul. Sakayan warning for graduation. Castillo inbound to Toray. Shot clock to 11. Jump sumukat ng 3. No good. Battle of the rebound. Rebound by Sakayan. Sakayan to Garcia. Napakabilis. No good. Jeff Sakayan with the rebound. Sakayan to Nico. Touch pass to Agno. Same ball. Substitution rep. Back Bravo in Dario out. Garcia inbound to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Basket good for De La Cruz. Hilario. Sumukat ang 3. Stop and pop. No good. Dirk with a rebound. Steal by Lisa. 15-point lead ang TK. Lisa with the ball. 12 seconds shot clock against Toray. Lisa double team to Garcia. Garcia. 2 seconds shot clock. There was no good. Rebound by Manalo. To Dirk. Dirk to Mac Bravo. Mac Bravo jumper. No good. Rebound by Dirk. Pinado. Basket good for Dirk Castillo. 1 minute, 5 seconds. Shot clock to 14. Sakayan with the ball. 10 seconds. Sakayan sumukat ang 3. 3! Jeff Sakayan. 60-46. 43 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Toray, umatake. Toray. Chill muna tayo, guys. All players on the bench ulit. Chill muna tayo, guys. Meron pa tayong bukas. Substitution. Arosero in, Sakayan out. Toray inbound, steal by Agno. To Lisa. 62-46. 25 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds. Congratulations to Team Arubian Knights for taking Game 1 of the semifinals matchup. Magkikita pa tayo, guys. Magkikita pa tayo bukas. Meron pang bukas. Sabi nga sa kanta, may bukas pa. Congratulations. And congratulations to our best player of the game, Dion Lisa. 13 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals. 13 points, Dion Lisa. And our next game tayo, Don Trajos versus Hotshot. Isa na namang mainit na laban. Bukas ulit tayo, Game 2, Team Arubian Knights versus Barangay Tagay. Second game.